A home to me is having love, people, memories. It's a safe haven. So many times we go out here and we're beat up, but we look forward to going home.
It took me 29 years to find my best friend.
Our love was all we had, and it was good. And it was enough. That night was just like any normal night. The next morning, I woke up and I knew something was horribly wrong. Sebastian had a heart attack during the night, and he died. I tried to go back to work in the capacity I was before my husband died. That was not possible. Grief became a companion. I was not able to pay my rent because of my depression. I got home one day and I saw a notice on my door, and I was being summoned to court for back rent. I thought I was going to lose my apartment.
In civil court, people are not entitled to an attorney in the same way that they would be for criminal court. And these are eviction cases. These are very important things in people's lives. They could end up being homeless. And so DC law students really tries to fill that gap. I assigned 2 of the students, Christos and Courtney, to assist her.
Candace came in several times seeking help from the landlord, tenant division. The stakes are extremely high, and there's people that could come into court one day and then leave, learning that they're going to be evicted and be homeless.
We met with her several times. We went over what I would ask, what the opposing counsel might ask, and just went through it enough times so that she felt comfortable answering the questions.
Christos and I went to her home. We walked around her house. We took photos. The biggest issue was the mice and the leak in the ceiling. She didn't even use her oven because she didn't want to get electrocuted.
We were trying our best to find all of the evidence we were going to use in the courtroom.
In the course of filling out the answer, Christos noticed that one of the defenses that Candace had was she had not been served properly. And so he did a very quick motion to dismiss.
They were ready. I didn't see student lawyers, I saw lawyers. When I went to court with them, I was completely confident. We walked in there with our heads held very high.
This was the first time I had ever been in front of a judge, and the first time I even called a witness in front of a judge. And then he finally said, "I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss."
Candace took part in an amazing program that DC offers called the ERAP program, which essentially can help you pay your back rent. And we were fortunate because we were able to get her case dismissed. It gave her the extra time she needed to obtain that ERAP money and to ultimately have her case closed.
It was also heartwarming to see how everything I had been doing and everything I'd been preparing for was going to have a real impact on Candace's life.
They have allowed me time to not just fight to keep my home, but time to process the grief. I feel that I'm going to be able to have the opportunity, even though my husband isn't here, to have a home and start my new normal.